In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add historical volatility indicators on TradingView Pro quick and easy guide. We're going to walk through this step by step, so even if you're new to TradingView, you'll be able to follow along without any problems. Make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and have a chart open for any asset you want to analyze, like a stock, crypto pair, or forex pair. First, look toward the top of your chart for the indicators button. It's usually near the time frames and the layout options. Go ahead and click on indicators. This is where TradingView keeps all of its built-in tools, community scripts, and technical studies. Opening this panel is your starting point whenever you want to add something new to your chart. Once the indicators window is open, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side. From here, you want to go to the section labeled Technicals. This area groups together the more commonly used technical indicators and makes them easier to find. Selecting technicals helps you avoid scrolling through a huge list of unrelated tools and keeps you focused on what you actually need. Next, inside that technicals section, move up to the search bar. This is usually at the top of the indicators pop-up. Click into the search bar so you can type. Using the search bar is much faster than hunting through long lists, especially if you already know the name of the indicator you're looking for. Now type historical volatility into the search field. As you type, TradingView will start filtering the results below. You should see an indicator named historical volatility appear in the list. When it shows up, simply click on it once. As soon as you do, TradingView will automatically add it to your chart, usually in a separate panel beneath your main price chart. You'll now see a line or curve that represents the historical volatility of the asset over a given period. Higher values on this line mean the price has been moving more aggressively, while lower values mean the market has been relatively calm. You can usually customize the settings by hovering over the indicator name in the chart legend and clicking the settings icon. From there, you can adjust the look back period, colors, and line style to match your personal preferences or your trading strategy. If you haven't signed up for TradingView Pro yet, and you want access to more features and a smoother experience with multiple indicators, make sure to use the link in my description to sign up and get started.